relate this word to you, the Bible begins to speak to us from this epistle. Begin to describe to us the character and the prelate person by the name of Noah. Understand who Noah really is. Noah it was the man that God told to build an ark. And in the process, somebody say the process. And in the process of him building the ark, he said, go and tell my people that it's going to rain. A lot of times when God tells us to do something, it becomes awfully strange to us. Because He asks us to do some strange things that we are not familiar with. So the Bible implies and says to us that now when He begins to do exactly what God said to the people, begin to mark Him. Begin to, man, you're crazy. What rain and the building such a big thing with so many cubits wide and so many cubits high. You're foolish. You're crazy. The Bible says that Noah preached this sermon for 120 years. He preached the same sermon. It's gonna rain. Could you imagine after the 6th one hearing the same sermon? Some folks just got weary. They got weary. They got tired of hearing the same thing. You know, when I was a little boy growing up, we kept hearing Jesus on his way. Jesus on his way. Jesus on his way. Oh, he's coming soon. Now, I'm a 70s baby. So, you know, we kept hearing it all through the 80s, all through the 90s. Now, in 2011, and we still hearing Jesus coming soon. God is on top of it here. So the Bible says that now, in the preaching of that, they did not want to hear what he had to say. So Noah began to now do the instructions of God. And we know the story on how he said, well, since they don't want to hear, I want you to go and get me X amount of clean animals. And then I want you to take certain animals and get them two by two and bring them inside of the boat. And then he said, I want you to ground them children and place them inside of the boat. But I want to deal now from the prospect of this particular text because I want the younger men and the younger women, well, how much I like this, the young boys and the young girls to understand the first step. This is why I say the first step. The first step to becoming a man and a woman is you must follow your father's instructions. Yes. You must follow the instructions of your leader. You must obey. You must listen. You must pay attention. You must look out. In order to mature into a man, you have to watch a man. Y'all know how to be here. In order to mature into a woman, you must watch the developing of a lady woman. Y'all know how to be here. Because two girls can teach each other nothing. Y'all know how to be here. Two boys can teach each other nothing. But when you separate the two, when you put a man with a boy, and when you put a woman with a girl, y'all know how to be here. You have women, they are little girls that want to be young ladies. And while a young lady wants to be a boy with a woman, y'all know how to be here. Some a boy that wants to be a man. Y'all know how to be here. The Bible says now, wait, begin to now listen to the words of God, and you begin now man and that woman. What do you mean by that preacher? Because if they tell you that Jesus is who you are, look at the sign of time. Look at the Lord and then you heard the movement. And look at all the young are against the old. Now, you ain't got nothing to say now. You can look around you. Oh, God, let me say, look around you. They even sleeping with other people in your house. God, they're going to walk into here. The Bible says now. The Bible says that now. He comes now into the place where he is God. And God says, no, now we got to go and let us understand we cannot let it down. Because I'm the only one with the key. I'm the one with the key. So you will never ever be able to let this back down unless I've been first. You understand the Bible says that now it begins to rain. And the people see now that it's raining until now it becomes angel deep. And when I know God must be serious now because hey, what do I anger? I think you gotta get to the heart of Satan. It's a matter of time. The only time some folks really want you is when they're in trouble. That was all talk to me in here. So now, I begin to realize I think you got a hey, no, I'm listening, sir, I'm listening anime. You know what I mean? When he came to my house the other day, he said, the Lord said, get out of house, Lord. And I'm getting it over. He can open the door anymore. This is for the roof, man. Open up the door. Now they don't talk to me in here. You will let you out and ready to get yourself together. And it's going to be too late. You remember when your pastor told you, don't you believe him? He's not the one. You gotta be careful. You gotta leave her alone. She means you're not good. But it's hard. You have put it such a road. And I can do my own thing. Now you went to the doctor. And the doctor told you now that they can't be possible. What happened? When you walk up in here, now they don't let you. Now they want you to come an engineer and do it on the line in their life. And there's an out of trouble. There's an installing. I don't have to keep coming back. I can even open up the door. God don't talk to me with you. He said, now the window shuts down. Tell me what it is. Now the window shuts down. He begins to see that he hears one more sound. And the Bible says that now, when he hears the sound, now he hears the boat. They feel the boat. It's amazing how God will put you in a strange predicament and give you a sermon out of it. What do you mean by that? Lord set on the boat with a bunch of animals that would smell a bunch of animals that they don't talk with you here. And then like a beast with napping children. Complaining, God don't talk with you. But we know that sometimes the children don't understand why they make them go to church. They don't understand why they pray the way they do it. They don't understand why they tell them, but I was him. Because he mean no good. I can see it. They don't understand it. But my mom used to always sing a song that says, brother was a whole real. understand what you get in the boat, but you don't understand it by and by. So now he is in the boat. And now they already in the boat. And sitting there the boat just from side to side. So now he fills the boat.